Hi, I'm Fanny of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today, we're going to explore ordering groceries on TMall. Let's check it out. So today, we're going to look at ordering groceries on TMall. It is a part of the TaoBao app. So if you already have it, so you're already able to do it. One thing is that this is an official store on TMall, so it's part of TaoBao and it's something that they own, so it's actually quite reliable. It's not some other vendor out there selling you things. This is actually from TaoBao itself. And the great thing is that anytime you order food, it's going to get delivered the next day. And you can actually choose the time that you want it to be delivered to. So first, let's open up the TaoBao app. It's the orange one. Great. So once you're in, you recognize this is the homepage of TaoBao. What you want to go to is, there are three icons with like a little cat on it. You want to go to the one that it's green. That is the TMall grocery store. So on the homepage, you'll see even more promotions. If you scroll down, you'll see like certain things are on sale right now, or things that they want to promote to you. So, and then if you've ever bought anything here, they'll probably have suggestions and recommendations for you. So it keeps scrolling, and maybe you'll see something that you like, some nuts maybe, some oil, whatever. It's like a grocery store on your phone, and it's online. So let's go back to the top here. There are several categories, and even if you don't read Chinese, you can still look at the pictures and kind of figure it out. See, the first one is fruit. You'll see the dragon fruit. That is fresh food and fresh meat. Mostly they come frozen, but the fruits are fresh. The second one, you see potato chips, so that's snacks. This one here, you see coconut milk there, so anything to do with milk, dairy products. Oil, so anything to do with the kitchen stuff, like maybe even some soy sauce and all that stuff in there. This little thermos, it's actually for home appliances, like small home appliances. You see diapers, like you just keep, there's two sets of it, so you just kind of scroll over, and you even see electronics and sports and towels and vitamins. So kind of just figure it out by the pictures. You don't really need to know the Chinese to it. Also, if you've already ordered from TaoBao before, you don't have to worry about putting in your information. It's already set in there. So today, I'm going to order some salmon. So I'm going to click the fresh fruit. So here, on the first one, it says best. So these are the things that are being promoted right now, are probably on sale or something. So they're the ones promoted. You can scroll down and just like look through, like these are all the different things in each of the categories, and then these are the ones individually. This covers like fruits and meat, so just and vegetables. All right, I know I want salmon, so if you look through here, you can see all the different categories as well. It's like a subcategory: the lemon, fruits, shrimp, seafood, meat, eggs, vegetable, milk products probably, dumplings, and soups. That's actually, I think it's like fast food, like microwavable food. So I want some salmon. I'm gonna go into the shrimp one. This part up here actually tells you the different types of seafood. I mean, if you know what salmon looks like in Chinese character, it'd be easy for you. Otherwise, you kind of just scroll through and you'll get to see all the different ones. I know what salmon looks like. It's this one here. So I'm going to click on salmon. And you'll see like the pictures of all the food that's related to salmon. Sometimes you'll see like a little thing here. It's orange, and it's like a special promotion. Here it means that if you buy 2, you get 7.5 discount. That means you kind of, for Chinese people, instead of putting percentage, they kind of do it reverse. So 7.5, it's about 25% off. Ooh. And this one here, the promotion, if you reach $79, you get, oops, $10 off. If you reach $159, you get $20 off. So these are the ones that are promoted. So let's see, what do I want? I actually often get this one. Let's try, if I get 2 bags, it's $40, but the second one, if I get 2 bags, I get, that's $80 minus 10, it's like $70. This one, I'll get 2 of it. So you can see the running total up here. It's now at 69. So you can do it this way by pressing the shopping cart button to add it directly. Or if you want a closer look, just click on the picture and just scroll through it. It'll like show you ways of how they make it. It has like information about the things, although it's all really in Chinese. So you can look at it for the pictures. And there's more details as you go through it as well. I usually just skip this part because I know how to make my own salmon. I don't need them to tell me, but alright, so I've added 2 salmon, and sometimes I get this one as well, so I'm gonna get that too. This one's, if you get 2 packs, it's 25% off. So the second pack was not that expensive. So my running total is 114. So other than salmon, I could also look at some fruits. I like getting fruits off here as well. You can scroll through all the different types of fruits they have. Again, there's specials. They even sell avocado. If you buy 2, it's 25% off. Durian, dragon fruit, mangoes, kiwis, watermelon. You'll see multiple pictures of it because it's the different brands, and maybe they come from different parts. Like they could be from Thailand, they could be from China. Here they are. I'm just gonna order a pack of strawberries. Sometimes when you go in and order something, if they're sold out, it won't be on it. So that's good to know that they only try to sell it as soon as possible. These meat, it looks fresh on the picture, but it actually comes to you in frozen. And when they deliver it to you, they put in a lot of dry ice and a lot of ice packs to keep it frozen. So, all right, you can get out of here and look at the different categories. You can look at snacks. Can you see these ones? They're promoted, and you have different types. And up here as well, you can scroll through if you want to change your category. That's it for me. So once you're done and you want to check out, you can just quickly click up here. And it brings you to your shopping cart. And you just scroll through it and make sure that it's everything you wanted. And yeah, so I ordered tomatoes, strawberries, and 4 packs of salmon. Alright, press the orange button to go and pay for it. Here again, it shows you all the things you order and how much. And apparently, this whole order, I got $26 and, well, 26 RMB and 13 yuan off because of these promotions that they've done. So here is for delivery. If you reach a certain amount, you can actually get free delivery. If you don't reach that amount, you have to pay for it. I usually order enough that I always get it. And yeah, let's see. So that there's 6 items. That's the total cost, 149. This one is asking if you want a fapiao, so I want a receipt. No. And that's my address down here. And go. Let's see. It doesn't seem to have it here right now, but usually once you've reached this page, if it's available, they'll let you select when you want it to be delivered. Fresh food, fruits and meat is usually delivered the next day. So all right, I'm gonna go pay for it. So using Alipay to pay for it because it's connected to Taobao, and I will just pay for it now. And you're done. And once you've paid for it, it'll come up with like certain things on Taobao that maybe you want to buy. But I'm good. Good. And that was easy and painless, and we'll probably fast forward this video, and the next time you see us, it's going to be receiving the delivery.
这东西需要冷藏的48小时内免费退换货啊。
OK，谢谢。